It started on June the 23rd, 2022, when the London Metropolitan Police announced that it had arrested Senator Ekweremadu and his wife Beatrice for conspiring to bring an alleged 15-year-old boy to the UK for organ harvesting. Subsequently, the couple pleaded not guilty at the Uxbridge Magistrate Court and were remanded in custody. 2 days later, the University of Lincoln barred Senator Ekweremadu as a visiting professor. A few days later, the Nigerian immigration confirmed the age of the said kidney donor as 21 and not 15. 3 days later, the Nigeria High Commission hired lawyers to defend Senator Ekweremadu, and the next day, on June the 30th, he appeared before the Magistrate Court on charges bordering on Britain's Modern Slavery Act. The case was fast-tracked. Meanwhile, in Nigeria, on July the 6th, the Federal High Court ordered NIMSI to transmit the certified true copy of the biodata of a victim to the Attorney General for transmission to the UK, and subsequently, the UK prosecution accepted that the kidney donor's age was actually 21. On July the 22nd, Dr. Obeta was charged with plotting with the family to traffic the man to harvest his kidney for their 25-year-old daughter, Sonia. 4 days after, the court granted bail to Senator Ekweremadu's wife, Beatrice, but refused her husband bail. In December, Senator Ekweremadu accused the EFCC of being behind his travails. The court again denied him bail on grounds that he may flee. On January the 31st, Senator Ekweremadu and his wife appeared in court, but their daughter Sonia was unable to attend as she was in hospital. A month later, prosecutor Hugh Davis said the victim was coached to give false answers to doctors and Sonia was singing from the same hymn sheet. In March, the senator told the court he sought to buy a kidney for Sonia based on advice from a medical practitioner. In the same month, his wife testified in court, describing her husband as a good man whom she had come to trust. After a 6-week trial, Senator Ekweremadu, his wife and doctor were convicted of organ trafficking. Sonia is cleared. In April, former President Olusegun Obasanjo asked the court to temper justice with mercy, followed by the Speaker of the ECOWAS Parliament, Sidi Tunis, who asked the court to also temper justice with mercy. In May, the House of Representatives, the Senate, and the International Human Rights Commission all appealed to the UK government and Old Bailey for leniency, and on May the 5th, Senator Ekweremadu was jailed for 9 years and 8 months. His wife, Beatrice, was sentenced to 4 years and 6 months, while the physician, Dr. Obeta, received a 10-year prison term.